What's unique about running Amazon PPC for supplements and why can it be so competitive? There are certain categories that are very expensive. Usually these are categories that are consumables, or they can have loyalty when it comes down to brand following. Supplements falls into that category, and it's not necessarily it's unique about it, but the cost per click for supplements, it's extremely high compared to other products. By extremely high, I am saying, imagine it's 5 to 10%, even 15%, sometimes it's higher than a regular product. What we've seen so far on our end when it comes down to strategy for such brands is to assure that either you're going to have campaigns that are very narrow, meaning that you're going to have only a few keywords in exact match and you're going to run ads for that because those are always bringing you sales, and you're going to make sure that for those ones you're never going to lose placement. Basically, either what you can do, you can try newer strategies that your competition it's not doing. So for example, if you're running a bunch of sponsored product ads and you see that your cost per clicks is $10, $15, $20 even for supplements, this is natural. What you can do, you can try out sponsor brand video ads and see what is the conversion there and what would be your CPC. If you manage to bring sales through the sponsor brand video ads that are more profitable than the sponsored products, then sponsor brand video ads could help you optimize your strategy better. You have to outsmart your competitors and always think 5 steps ahead of them when it comes down to this.